guys, Sweetener Walker here, naturopath and nutritionist living deep in nature here at Ysbryd. Now today I've been in clinic all day, which I absolutely love, but I'm sat down for most of the day. So when I get home I like to move my body and get the blood flowing. So I've just come back from being out on a run and I want to hydrate my body but also remineralise my body, because when you sweat you not only sweat out water but we sweat out minerals. And you've probably had that feeling where it's been a hot sunny day and no matter how much you're drinking you simply feel like you can't hydrate, and that is because you need to balance your electrolytes. Now you might have seen drinks in the gym or in the shops to help balance your electrolytes, but lots of those are very sugary and lots of glucose syrup in it and things that aren't so good for our body. Yes, we can't deny the minerals are in there, but there's other things in the body that can create inflammation and create just an unhealthy environment for bacteria in the bowel. And this is so easy, so I'm going to share with you how to make your own electrolyte water. So very simply, I'm just making a small amount here. I've got a pint of filtered water. That is filtered spring and well water. You might have just filtered tap water at home. Both are great, just make sure it's filtered. And I'm just going to add half a cucumber that's been sliced and chopped and half a lemon. About 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sweetener. Now the sweetener I've chosen to use is my favourite, is Yacon. Now Yacon is great because it doesn't raise the blood sugar too much. In fact, it doesn't raise it at all because it's suitable for diabetics, and it helps feed the bacteria in the gut because it's got prebiotics in it. If you're not vegan, you might decide to use a raw honey, a local raw honey where you know the bees have been well kept and well looked after. And that's it. So I've simply put it all in, given it a stir, and that's my electrolyte water. So as I said, great to use when you've been exercising, if you've been out on a sunny day, and also if you've had diarrhoea or you've been vomiting, you know that other things come up as well as the water, and we need to remineralise and support our body so our electrolytes don't become out of balance. And if you want to make a large amount, you want to make a full litre, it's 1 litre of filtered water, a whole cucumber sliced, a whole lemon slice, 1/4 teaspoon of crystallised Himalayan salt. The crystallised Himalayan salt is a lot better because your body can access the minerals in that salt because of the way it's been mined. And then 1 teaspoon of either raw honey or Yacon syrup. Now that has taken even less time than going to the shop and getting a drink, or even opening a can of electrolyte drink that you might have bought in previous times at the gym or in the shops. So this week I invite you, while we're still in the summer, if you're outside sweating or exercising, or if you've been poorly with some vomiting and diarrhoea, make your own electrolyte water. Now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with how you can live a delicious life, and head on over to my website selenaWalker.earth. Sign up to my newsletter for great hints and tips to make sure that we all live a delicious life, thriving to be the best we can be. See you soon.